Hi everyone, it's me, Tamoya. Look this way. I'm gonna show you guys behind the scenes. You know, I like to do a little behind the scenes, get you guys involved and show you what I do on a daily basis with Laura Body Treats. I had a sale, or I'm having a sale currently, 30% off with the code blackout, and also up to 50% off with sale items. So I'm gonna show you guys my preparation of sending out these packages. So I'm just gonna be sending them out and show you guys a little bit, you know, what I do before and during sending out packages. So take a look. So this is my little storage station in my kitchen here. Currently I am working out of my home, but this is my little working station. This is where I keep all my butters, my oils, my fragrances, my essential oils, my clays, like everything you could name. I try to package it here or store it here. Yeah, so all my butters and all that good stuff is packed up here neatly. Try to be a bit organized because then it gets all crazy. But yeah, this is my little station here. I'm gonna take you over to another station that I have. So initially this area here was supposed to be my working desk, and as you can see, it is a working desk, but I do not sit here and do like paperwork. I mainly just sit right here in this seat right here and do the work. But I'm gonna get this space together because yeah, I'm gonna get space together. I'm gonna put a nice quote because I love quotes, as you can see. It's all over the house, but I'm gonna get this space together. 2020, I'm gonna get it together. Over here, like I keep all my stock items here. Like I pre-did some products and I just keep them here. Got shea butter all over my hand. Ooh. All right. Yeah, so I just pre-do some items and then keep the stock here so that if someone makes an order, I'll just be able to go into my little stock area and take out whatever they want and need. So I try to keep it as organized as possible. It is kind of hard sometimes because it does get crazy, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I have my little samples here that I make, or anything that I experiment with. I have it here and I either take it with me or I just use it in the house. And my daughter, she'll tell me what she thinks of it. This is my little background for some of my photos. This as well. This is a box. So like I said, I'm gonna get this area together. This is my printer. Now this has been with me since the beginning, from 4 years ago. I purchased this on Black Friday 4 years ago, and I only paid $20 for it. So it has been a die-hard printer, but now I have moved on to getting my labels actually printed out, because it is a lot of work for me to do on my own. So I do send them out to get printed, and I don't mind to, give out the information of where I get it from, because I'm always down to help other people. Vistaprint, you could go to Avery, Onlinelabels if you are printing your own, because this is where I first started out, printing my own labels using Onlinelabels, and they're amazing. They're amazing. You could make your own labels on your software, save it, and then buy their paper and print it out from home. And these papers are the most durable of them all that I've seen so far, but they still, it's not weatherproof. So I've just updated. Now that I got a little bit bigger, I decided to stop printing because it's a lot of work for me. So I just send it out to get printed. So now I'm gonna start packaging the items. I'm gonna set up this area, my daughter and I, and we're gonna print out the orders that we have gotten, and then we're gonna pack it out on this table. So give me a second. So now I'm here. I about to print out the orders. Here are the invoices. So basically the laptop that I do have is a Mac Air. I changed to this about, was it this year or last year, because this is just so much easier to travel with. At first I did have an HP, but it was a bit heavy and it kept on getting viruses. So I got this and I'm so pleased with it. But I was here doing changes to the website because of my blackout sale, and today that I'm filming, it is Small Business Saturday, so I kind of like changed the banner that I had here and like, you know, did some changes on the front page. I'm gonna show you me printing the invoices. Basically all my orders here that I have received, and these are ones that I have completed. I got an order from Saudi Arabia that I have to fulfill, and I'm excited about that. Okay, so I'm back. I'm back with my little turmeric hot chocolate, and this is like one of the things that I do to get started, you know. I have my turmeric hot chocolate, my candle, which is one of these here. I believe the company name is Noir, but I'll leave it down below. I burn one of those. My favorite one is Miami. And then I also vibe out to like Ari Lennox, Summer Walker, like any type of neo soul, like Janae Aiko, like any type of vibe like that. Like that's what I do to work. Like I listen to that and I just, you know, I zone out and I feel like I work better. So I have my little turmeric hot chocolate and I'm gonna get started. So basically I have printed out, you know, my orders for the day, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I set up my little packing station, as I would call it right now. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I do behind the scenes to get these orders out to you. And yeah, a few people ordered some Body by Laura. So basically they're packaged, and what I do is take them out the package, because I get them from the manufacturer, take them out the package, make sure that there's no defects, make sure there's no loose threads or anything like that, and you know, start packaging them up. Basically I wrap them in the tissue paper, and this cup I actually got from Dollar Tree. With Dollar Tree for a small business is everything. Any like tissue paper that I use to, you know, package my items in, including the clothing, I get them from Dollar Tree, or I get like stuff from Amazon Prime, which is amazing because I love like next day shipping. Love, love, love. So I do invest in getting an Amazon Prime account, and I think that's very vital to any last minute stuff. But this is for Christmas that I'm gonna package or send out the items in, and I got that from Amazon. But Dollar Tree is amazing. So basically some people have ordered for Body by Laura, and I'm gonna, you know, steam it, make sure there's no threads, and then put it in this nice velvet drawstring bag. And you know, it's gonna be on its way. I think this is so cute, and it's so versatile to keep. So this is the packaging for now. So I'm gonna set up the station and I'll be right back to you guys. So basically I called my daughter in, Tanaya, to help me out here. She's a little shy. So basically we're gonna place the invoices, you know, side by side so we could be a bit organized. And when you're organized, it's just a bit better because you don't want to make any mistakes to where you're going to have to resend items back out to the customers. So basically, this is what we're just doing right now. Like putting them side by side, and then we read them one by one, place the products or whatever they ordered on top if it could fit. And then we go over it one more time, and then we place it into the mailing packet. basically what we're going to start off with first is for the month of November, I basically did a promotion of where for any purchases made, you get like a raffle ticket. So it's going to be 12 days of giving in December. So we're going to actually write out the names on the raffle tickets, and then we're going to tape the raffle ticket onto the invoice so that they can keep it. And when we're ready to do the giveaway, they'll have it. We packed out some of the items for today. There's another batch, but everything couldn't fit on the table, so we just packed out this amount so that we knew what we were doing. And I need to put a label on the brightening facial mask that somebody ordered. They ordered the turmeric and honey bar, so that's already done. I just have to label this one here. And like I said, some of the labels I do print myself. So these are the last of the ones that I will be printing basically. The others I had just sent out to get printed, and I'm waiting on those. And then that's that, and then just place it on top of the person's order, which I said they ordered the turmeric and honey, and then they ordered the brightening facial mask. So basically I'm just gonna put that in the mail-in shipping envelope, and I'll be done. So much easier because it just closes up on its own, so it's easier. And that's that there. I basically am only going to show you one. I don't want to bore you guys. These bags I got from Amazon, and you could just look around and search and see what designs are good for you and what sizes are good for you. Like I said, I use Amazon Prime because I am impatient and I want my stuff now, so next day shipping is perfect for me. So I'm just move this over. Yeah. Basically, I take my tissue paper that I said I get from either Amazon or that I get from Dollar Tree. Basically, you can wrap your items up to put them in there. So it's like a little package, a little present when they open it. You know, have that there. I fold this. You need now I'm gonna do my little handwritten postcard that I have that I sent out. It's basically a thank you postcard that I handwrite to each and every one of my customers, because being a small business, you get to do that. Like, you get to be very hands-on with your customers. So I like to build a personal relationship and just write a little thank you note and let them know how much I appreciate them. So this customer is Janelle, and I'm gonna be writing to her, thanking her for her support, because she really didn't have to support us on our huge sale. So usually I also put like a sample of one of like a top seller or something that I really want to push out there, which is probably a new product. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the sample. I'm gonna be putting in the Romance Blend Body Oil, which is a top seller of mine on the website. I definitely cannot keep this in stock for some reason. I know, because it smells so good. Like right now, it just smells amazing. So I'm gonna put that in the package for her, as like a thank you, and also for her to sample it. So just in case next time she wants to purchase it, she can. So basically I put little samples. So I have my thank you postcard, which I handwritten as well. And then I have the invoice with the raffle ticket. I have the items that the customer purchased wrapped up neatly and nicely. And then I have my mailing bags here. So now I'm just going to place it in the bag. Look over it again to make sure that I have everything, because you don't want to make a mistake and then have to resend the customer the item that you were missing, because it was not their fault, it was your fault. So yep, one brightening face mask, and then the turmeric and honey bar, and that's all she ordered. So I'm gonna put in packing slip, invoice, whatever you want to call it, and I'm gonna remove this part here, and then usually like it to be really neat. There you go. Very cute and neat. And then now it's just for me to print out the shipping labels, and there you go. The carrier that I use is USPS. Right now you can get like discounted rates for a small business, so they're one of the best so far for me, so that's what I use. So I'm just gonna put the packing or the shipping label on, and then this is gonna be ready for shipment. All these other items, I'm gonna do exactly the same thing. Like I said, this is just how I do it. You guys can do it differently. If you guys have any questions on anything, don't be afraid to comment below and let me know. Give me a thumbs up, like it, share it. Please subscribe, because I'll do more of these behind the scenes. But yes, also go to our website, www.laurabodytreats.com, and look around and tell me if there's anything that you really like, and purchase. Support. Today is Small Business Saturday, so I ask that you do support, even though it's not going to be Saturday by the time that this comes on. But yes, support small businesses, even if it's not mine. I encourage you to do that. Local businesses, it really does make a difference. That one order for the day will make a huge difference to a small business. So we ask that you really do support. Like I said, visit the website, www.laurabodytreats.com, and also visit our Body by Laura collection, which is on the main page, and it says Shop Body by Laura, or you have Shop Body Treats. So thank you for your support, and thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.